I'm gonna hit the train horn button here. Hear that? All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here's your tire size, fuel wheels. Wheel looks good. Got a lot of tread left here. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. That looks good. That's nice. You have a deep gash right here, right there, and a few more along that door. And then typical rock chips on that lower section. Got a chip right here. You have some gashes there. You have some large gashes here. Got the amp boards, and I am not sure if they stay out like that or if they do retract. I know they're supposed to retract, but they are not doing it when you shut the door, so I don't know if it's a setting or if that's just how they are now. A couple gashes, little chips just from tires throwing rocks. Got some gashes here. Rock chips kind of peppered throughout that flare. Like I said, typical swirls from just everyday washing. That looks good. Missing the cap here. We have a new one on order, so don't worry about that. Looking at the wheel. The rest of it looks good. Tires look nice. Taillight's clean. Looks good. Have some stuff on here kind of stuck onto the paint. Bumper looks nice. Rest of the tailgate, kind of scanning the edge here. I do see some little scuffs. Then you have some, looks like maybe paint or something in there. Underneath, you got your train horns. See that? Got two chips here. Typical chips along that flare. That wheel looks nice. That logo is falling off, it looks like. Got some little markings here. Some larger chips. Just kind of peppered throughout this lower section. You can see it kind of swirls in the paint. Some gashes there. That tire looks nice. Wheel looks good. This is broke. See that cracked? Little rock chips kind of peppered throughout the front. They got the color match emblem here. When you get up close, you're gonna see the rock chips. Got the light bar in there. When you get down low, look at that suspension. Looks really good. Typical bug etching where, you know, bugs etched into the clear. Some spots there. And then right here, the grill is cracked. Alright, checking out the interior. That bolster looks good. Same here, very clean. You can see the stitching. It's kind of frayed right there on the eye, in between the I and the E. Nice, that seat looks really nice. You got your buttons here. That's for your train horn. All of that's in great condition. That door panel is really clean. Got the massive screen. Looks really good. All right, checking out this door panel. Couple little scuffs here and there. Otherwise looks good. Got the all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, that's in great condition. You can see that bolster looks good as well. A few little stains there. Other than that, the seat looks really nice. Actually, I got a stain right here. That looks good. That looks nice. Glove box is clean. Here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. That looks good. Seat back looks nice. You do have some wrinkles right here. Probably a car seat in there at some point. Other than that, that looks good. Headliner looks nice. Just scanning through the engine bay here. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The truck has 38,022 miles on it here at the time of cataloging it. The steering wheel is crooked. You can see that. So if I go straight, it will pull to the left. Alignment feels good so far. See that steering wheel is definitely off center. Got the dark window tint eyebrow here, that looks good. We do have a crack in the windshield, you can see that. Brake test here. So I'm going to hit the brakes right now. Truck stops really good. No vibrations in the steering wheel, no weird noises or anything like that. Of course, when you have a big lifted truck like this, you're going to have a lot of body roll, a lot of swaying with the suspension. Truck drives straight though. You definitely have that bouncy sensation. We'll have the modification list on the website. You're gonna see it rolls cold just a little bit. Hands off the wheel, truck's driving straight. Like I said, you do have that kind of bouncy sway sensation. But other than that, it drives really nice. The cabin's quiet. There's not a lot of creaks. Feels really good.